cause I'm so high right now. I don't think that I'll ever come down, cause this feels better to me than anybody reality.
Well, hello there. Back at it again with another video. Today, I'll be doing, that's right, the MFER-1, the muffler one. I'm excited about it. It's pretty much, it's gonna delete, actually, I'm gonna call it the active exhaust delete. Put that up right now. Active exhaust delete. That's right. As you come over here, these are the contents that was in the box. It was packaged very well. As you can see, this is the version 2, and it has a guard over it. That way, any debris or any dust or any kind of ground won't get into it. So this is version 2, and I got these on Black Friday, so got a little discount on them. And then it comes with a little pamphlet to show you how to do it and whatnot. So, and then also you got the contents as well. He gave me a pen, a nice little card, if you can zoom in on that. And then that's the back. And like I said, I love pens, so I got me a pen. Oh yeah. And then it came in this box. And the shipping, it took, I say about, what, 2 to 3 days? So that ain't bad at all. So next time you hear it, matter of fact, let me go ahead and crank the car up now.
10 seconds later.
You get the point, right? So pretty much by me putting this little delete in it, it should have that gargle, gang. Shout out to Mr. Organic. It's gonna have that sound, hopefully, when I'm driving in regular mode. So I'm probably not gonna record me putting it in because it's my first time putting it in, but I will have before and after. That's what it sounded like before. After the exhaust already situated, it's gonna have an after effect. So stay tuned. That's what it looks like installed. This is the Extreme MFR Extreme. Haven't seen anybody install the Extreme yet, so might be the first one to install it. But that's what it looks like. I'm gonna try to get this side done on camera. Hopefully I can go quick since I did that one. Got kind of idea of what I need to do. Pretty much. Again, you take an 8mm socket. Unscrew these bad boys. It's spring loaded, like everybody was saying. So when you take it out, be careful. was recording.
What the fuck?
My bad. So in a nutshell, that's pretty much it. Then you wanna put your sensor back in, and we'll check lights. That's what it looks like. Install their streams. Yep. Mid muffler. Delete. Get to see how it sounds. Hopefully I don't get a engine light come on. If I do get an engine light, I know I did something wrong. Let's see what it sounds like.
Cause I'm so high right now, I don't think that I'll ever come down. Cause this feels better to me than anybody reality.